I got a package, I got a package, I got a package, hey, 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 hey! Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am super excited about because, as you guys can tell by the title, I bought some stuff from BH Cosmetics and it's finally here. After, I want to say it's been 9 days since I purchased this stuff, so I had to wait all this time to finally get it. So here I am, ready to show you guys. I'm ready to get into this video. So if you guys would like to see what I got from BH Cosmetics, then just keep watching. And just a disclaimer, I did purchase all of this with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. I decided to purchase some stuff from BH Cosmetics because I bought the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I actually talked about this in my last haul. If you would like to see that video, I will link it right up here so you guys can go ahead and watch that. But this I bought at Ulta and I absolutely fell in love with this palette. I have been using this palette for a lot of new videos that I've been filming, so I'm super excited about that. But I just absolutely love this palette, and as you can see, I have been using it a lot. Obviously, look at the black packaging, the colors. I just absolutely loved this palette. I'll show you what it looks like inside. And this is what it looks like. So, of course, the first thing that you guys see is the Aurora Lights brush set. This comes with 10 brushes and a cosmetic bag. So this is what it looks like. It is so super cute. Here are all the brushes. And I was looking at this, and the cool thing about this packaging is it has all of the brushes on the back, and each one of these brushes has a number on it. So for example, like this says brush number 3, and it says right here that it's an angled contour brush. So I like that they put all the brushes on the back of that. But this is what the first brush looks like, and they're so soft. Oh my goodness. I can't wait. But this is the angled contour brush. And then, let's see. This is number 1. And this is the powder brush. And again, it is so soft. Oh my goodness, I can't believe how soft these are. And if I'm not mistaken, the brush hairs are not all black. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but it almost looks like they have brown in them. And then when, like, from far away, it almost looks like they're metallic, which is kind of cool. But anyway, number 2 is an angled... Number 2 is a tapered blush brush, and it just looks like this. I love how soft these are. Number 4 is a large blending brush. Look how big this brush is. I'll show you in comparison. This brush is dirty, but this is one of my normal blending brushes. Look how big this is. Like, it's ginormous. I can't wait to play with these. Number 5, it just says a blending brush. It just looks like this, and it looks like it's a little bit more true to size than our normal blending brush. Number 6 is a blending crease brush. Just looks like this. Number 7 is a dense shader brush, and it just looks like that. Number 8 is a angled definer brush, and it has the angle to it, and it's rather large, which I like. And then number 9 is a tapered tip shader brush. It just looks like this. And then last but not least is the detailing pencil brush, and I like that it comes in this little thing. So I'm just going to put that back in there and keep it in like that. This is the brush set. Obviously, I will be playing with these in future videos, so make sure you guys stay tuned for those. Next thing in here is the 16 color eyeshadow palette, and it says it's Afternoon Rendezvous. if I'm saying that correctly, 16 color eyeshadow palette. I actually got this free with my purchase because I spent over like a certain amount. But it just looks like that, and it has a little mirror in it, which I like, and then the colors look like that. I am so excited to play with this color right here. I don't have my phone on me to go over the prices and everything like that, but if you guys are interested in these items, I will have everything linked down in the description box, and I will put the prices on them as well. The next thing I got is this glitter collection loose glitter, and it's in the shade Shamrock. And Gabriella actually picked this out for me. So this is what it looks like, and it is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm super, super excited to play with this color. I have been absolutely loving loose shadows, especially with Halloween coming up. That's going to be perfect. So the next thing I got is this Eyelights Waterproof eye color. This is in the shade Gal Pal. I think it's just like a liquid. Ooh, it's so pretty. I don't even think you guys can see that. We'll swatch it. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to play with this. It's like an orange color, but it's duochrome, so it's like, see, it's orange and it has yellows in it and it has a little bit of green. That's just so pretty. I'm so super excited to play with that. So super excited. Next thing I got, and I had to get this because I have the other one, it's the Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition. And again, the packaging is just so, like, I can't even explain it. Like, look how pretty it is. Can you guys see that? And this palette is actually, it has sparkles on it. And but I just love this girl, like her makeup. Look at those colors. And they're the shimmer colors. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it on camera, but I'll just show you a quick difference of the two palettes. Okay, so this right here is the original Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and then this is the Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition. So it's basically like the same exact thing, except these ones are glitter shades and these ones are more matte. This palette has mattes, satins, and shimmers in it. This one is just basically all sparkle. And it does say on the back, it says the super saturated shades can be layered, blended, worn alone, and transformed with duochrome glitters for maximum sparkle. So I'm super excited to play with this, and maybe I can do a look with these too. This is one of the duochrome eye creams, so super excited about that. And the packaging is pretty much the same, except the girl is a little bit different, and her outfit on this one is more metallic, but I still love it just as much as the other one. The last thing that I got was the Aurora Lights palette. This is an 18 color baked eyeshadow palette, and of course it does go with the brushes, so I have the palette and the brushes and the case. So this says as sheer color, high shine glitter top coats to entrancing ultra reflective metallics and rich shades with intense pigment payoff. Now I do know that each row on here is different, but this is what it looks like, and it's just so pretty. I just looked it up quickly on Ulta, and it does say that the first row is glitter finish, the second row is foil finish, and then the third row is high packed color finish. So this row is glitter, this row is the foil, and then this is the high impact color. So I just want to swatch one of these. I want to swatch, I think this is called Borealis, and it's the purple one. Oh my goodness. Let's do another one. Let's do Vibrant. Oh my goodness, look how pigmented they are. We're going to go into Fluorescent. There's Fluorescent right there. And let's try the green one, which is Australis. Oh my goodness. That would look so pretty with that green glitter. Let's see what they look like when I swatch them on my hand. This green one is Australis. Oh my goodness. Can you guys see that? And then the purple one is Borealis. And then this one is Vibrant. And then this one is Fluorescent. So there they all are right there. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to play with these. Maybe we'll swatch a couple from the other rows. Just for shits and giggles. I really want to swatch this polar color. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. This palette. Can you guys see that? Sorry my swatches aren't the greatest. Let's try Prismatic, which is this pinky shade right here. Oh my goodness. And let's do Ombre, which is the white one right here. Can you guys see those? Look how pretty they are, and they're so sparkly. Oh, I can't wait. I'm so excited. So excited. That's it for this quick little unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and excuse my appearance. As I got my box, I said I'm going straight upstairs and I'm filming this video because I have been waiting to sit down and film this video with you guys. As always, if you guys like these types of videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you guys are new, welcome. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. The link will be at the end of this video, and of course the big red subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any of my future uploads. That being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!